Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library. Hello, the Plainfield Public Library. Thanks for stopping in for another special STEAM project. Today we are making Run Marbles Run, or just simply a marble run. But I wanted to be dramatic, okay? So Run Marbles Run. All right. So what do you need now? If you have an empty cereal box, that's fine, okay? Because you can cut out the front and use the rest of the box for the encasing of your ramp. You can use a box lid. So if the box has a top, you can take off the top. And if it looks like something like this, you can use that. Or you can use any flat piece of cardboard. Now you can use, you know what these are? That's right, tubes from toilet paper or paper towels. So you can use these as well. Or you can use cardboard pieces, anything that you cut off. If you have a bigger box and you can cut off straight pieces, you can do that. Now glue or strong tape. I'm going to use tape. A pair of scissors, and you know what we say about scissors, that if you need help, okay, please ask. That's right, you got it, a parent, a guardian, older sibling, babysitter, caregiver, because why? That's right, we love that you love science, but we care about your safety even more, okay? Okay, thank you very much. And last but not least, the stars of the show, the marbles, okay? So, now, for all of our scientists who are, or who parents, worry about our little scientists who think these are candies, fear not. You can use a pom-pom, or if you have some with permission, you can ball up little bits of aluminum foil, and that can serve as a marble as well. Okay, so there we go. We got the basics. Let's do it. Now, basically what you're going to do is, if you have your rolls, you take your scissors, and basically you're going to cut straight down, and pretty much you'll have a roll or two that's cut like this, and then you'll go ahead and cut it again if you want to. Okay, so you can leave it as is, or you can cut it again. Okay, and then you can fit it in whatever encasing, or if you're going to use a cardboard piece without the walls around it, you can do that too. So you cut out, or you cut your cardboard tubes. Now, tape is good, or glue, but I use tape because if you want to move things around or change them, you can do so a little easier than some glues, right? So, now the tape, where did I leave the cut part at? Here, I found it, okay. So, of course, we're just gonna cut a piece off, and we're going to, now you can fit it however you want to, okay? You're only limited by your imagination and, of course, your resources, right? Or the size of whatever you're working with. So, you have this now, tape on the back, and now you can fit it like I did. You can fit it, starting here and then continue all the way till you're all the way down, okay? Now, basically, I'm gonna move this out the way. I have it so that The track starts here, comes down, and then hopefully everything will land here. So I won't bounce out, and I won't lose my marbles. See what I did there? All right, so while you're doing that, now why make a marble run? I know, yes, I've seen you on the computers. I've seen you, hello, computer games, of course, Roblox, etc., etc. You know, sometimes some things or some games, right, or a little, you get a little more fun out of them once you make them yourself. So yes, you can hop on the computer. You can, of course, play a game that you got from the store that mom and dad bought. But when you make something that you did with your own hands, okay? Or if somebody helped you do it, oh boy, and you did it from scratch using your imagination, nothing better than that, okay? And I dare you to say different. All right, so now the basic components of a marble run are things that we talked about before. In essence, you're making ramps. So these are pretty much ramps that go every direction all the way down. So whatever materials you use, you're going to make sure that whatever path they take and ends, you're trying to get your marbles from point A to point, let's see, A, B, C, D, E, F in this case, okay? So point A to point F. All right, so let me see if we succeeded or if I succeeded. Now, I'll try all three. So first up, my pom-pom. Okay, so I'm gonna try it here. And let's see. It made it all the way down. Hey, from point A to point F. Now, I'm going to do the aluminum foil. All right, here we go. Okay. Yes, 2 out of 3. And now, I'm going to try the actual marble. Are we ready? You ready? I'm not ready. Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it. Hey! It landed. So let me just bring it over here. I'll prove to you that it landed. Ooh, it fell out. There it is. But it landed safe and sound. All right. Now, you can try this, like I said, with, different material pieces as well. Pool noodles, if you have that around, you can try it with that, with permission, or popsicle sticks, anything that gives you like a nice maze path for your marbles. Okay, so until we meet again, I want you to stay curious and remember, there's no fail if you're having fun. Okay, so this is Miss T and Run Marble Run. Thanks for coming out for some fun. And until next time, stay safe, stay curious, stay inventing or experimenting, and so long for now.